What's the meaning of bactericide? Bactericide. Bactericide.
Bactericide. Bactericide. The term bactericide is used to describe a substance that can kill bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that are found in virtually every environment on Earth, including soil, water, and living organisms. While many bacteria are harmless or even beneficial, some can cause disease or infection in humans, animals, and plants. Bactericides are often used in agriculture to protect crops from bacterial diseases, and in medicine to prevent or treat bacterial infections in humans and animals. Common types of bactericides include antibiotics, disinfectants, and antiseptics. The use of bactericides has been instrumental in improving human and animal health, as well as increasing crop yields and food production efficiency.